Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the latest in beauty product insights, from the science behind the formulas to real-world testing. Today, we're talking about the ghd Duet Style Essentials Power Trio, which combines a 2-in-1 hot air hair styler, a sleek styling oil, and a detangling hairbrush. It's a complete package designed to transform your styling routine with sleek, shiny hair, whether you're dealing with dry hair or aiming for the perfect blowout. Let's see if this trio really delivers. First, let's break down what's inside this power trio. The star of the set is the ghd Duet 2-in-1 Hot Air Styler. This device promises to take you from wet to sleek in no time. It combines a hot air styler with an ionic blow-dry function, designed for a smoother, shinier finish while also cutting down drying time. Then there's the Sleek Talker Wet to Sleek Hair Styling Oil, a lightweight, nourishing oil formulated to protect your hair from heat damage while adding a polished, frizz-free shine. Finally, the Oval Detangling Dressing Hairbrush is built for gentle detangling and smoothing, helping to prep your hair for the perfect blowout. So, how does it all work together in practice? I tested this trio with my own hair, which tends to be on the dry side, so I'm always looking for products that provide both hydration and sleekness. Starting with the styler, I found the design of the ghd Duet 2-in-1 Hot Air Styler to be ergonomic and easy to handle. It has a sleek, professional look, and it's surprisingly lightweight, making it comfortable to use for longer periods. The heat settings are adjustable, and with the ionic technology, my hair felt smoother immediately after styling. I was impressed by how quickly it dried my hair, without the usual frizz I experience when using traditional blow dryers. Now, moving to the Sleek Talker Wet to Sleek Hair Styling Oil, this oil was a revelation. It's lightweight, so it doesn't weigh my hair down, but it still provides a lot of moisture. It also has a pleasant, subtle scent that isn't overpowering, which is always a win for me. I applied it while my hair was still damp, and it helped the styler glide smoothly through my strands. The result? Glossy, frizz-free hair with a lot of movement. No crunchy, heavy feeling like I sometimes get from other oils. Lastly, the Oval Detangling Dressing Hairbrush did its job perfectly. It's gentle enough to use on wet hair without pulling or causing breakage, and it works well at distributing the oil through my strands for even moisture and shine. Let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. First off, the set is a complete styling solution. You've got the tool, the product, and the brush, which is great if you're looking for convenience. The hot air styler is efficient and provides a professional finish without causing heat damage. The oil is a nice addition for hydration and shine, and the brush is gentle, which is essential for avoiding breakage, especially when your hair is wet. On the flip side, the price tag might be a downside for some. The whole set is an investment, so if you're on a budget, it's worth considering if all three pieces are essential to your routine. Also, while the oil is lovely, some people might prefer a heavier product if they have very thick or unruly hair. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this trio does offer a solid value if you're looking for a high-quality, professional-level hairstyling experience at home. The performance of the hot air styler, combined with the nourishing oil and detangling brush, creates a balanced, high-end experience, especially for those who struggle with dry hair or frizz. Comparing this trio to similar products, ghd has a strong reputation in the industry for creating high-performance tools. And while there are other hot air stylers available, many of them don't come with the added bonus of a specialized styling oil or a professional-grade brush. Plus, the combination of ionic technology and heat protection makes this set stand out in terms of both performance and hair health. As for build quality, ghd has never disappointed. The materials feel solid, and the devices feel durable. The styler has a professional, salon-quality finish, and I don't anticipate any issues with longevity, given how well it performed. In terms of alternatives, there are other brands that offer similar all-in-one solutions, such as Dyson, but those tend to be even more expensive. For a similar effect, you might want to try the Revlon One-Step Hairdryer and Volumizer, paired with a good quality serum or hair oil. It's not as high-end as ghd, but it still delivers solid results at a more affordable price. Overall, the ghd Duet Style Essentials Power Trio is a fantastic option if you're looking to elevate your at-home styling routine. The combination of a hot air styler, heat-protecting oil, and detangling brush is ideal for those who want smooth, shiny, and healthy-looking hair without spending hours at the salon. I'd recommend this set to anyone with dry or frizz-prone hair, especially if you're looking for a professional quality finish. However, if you're on a tighter budget, the cost might make you hesitate. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.